Hello and welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm going to make you, it's a typical Damascene fritter, and we always use, whenever we have stuffed zucchini dishes, the core inside is always utilized, nothing is thrown away. So we have something called libpusa, which I have on my website. It's cooked in mint, it's absolutely divine. And we do these zucchini fritters. I'm going to be doing the zucchini fritters, shredding zucchini rather than just using the core, and it's really easy. I do an addition, I add just a lot of fresh herbs because I just love herbs in my food. Zucchini, crushed garlic, and my herbs. I've got green onions, parsley, coriander, and I have some fresh mint. You can also put some dill, fresh dill, any herbs actually. Cumin, black pepper, salt, eggs, flour. I have some wholemeal flour here I'm gonna add. Some people add baking powder or baking soda, and what it happens, it gives it a rise and makes it like fluffy. I prefer without, but you could if you want. Canola oil, so the oil has to be hot. Don't put too much in the pan because we don't want the temperature of the oil to go down. Put it on some paper towel to drain. They're ready. You can have them hot, you can have them cold, you can have them with a salad, you can have them in a bun. However you want to eat it, eat it. One thing though, they are delicious. I mean, the herbs, the cumin, and I can taste the garlic. And the fluffiness of the egg, I mean, really, I don't know why people put baking soda in it. It really just does not need it. It's just so divine and easy. Really, try it and let me know. Enjoy.